you just talk about the books compared to the courses and the paid content?
Correct. I believe people are getting lazier day by day. So they think watching videos will make them learn faster. But again, the way you have put it, I think you have phrased it very perfectly. Books are becoming underrated, which I believe should not be the case, right? So there should be, I mean, you should always look for, just a second, I'll show you something. See, artificial intelligence, this book is what? More than 1,000 pages. And this is what I have right now, I mean, just next to me. Yeah. So books are made for many people. So I strongly feel you should, the knowledge that you will get from books, the typical, at least for the fundamentals, obviously. Now the fancy part or the new age things that are developing every other day, maybe there's not a very good books that are already available, but probably you can refer to a lot of YouTube contents and other content. But for the fundamentals, basics, which is the most important part, I think you should fall back to the proper book way of studying. I think that works for me. I mean, that's my suggestion.